Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm extremely excited to be able to share with you what is a very unique land opportunity on the northern side of the Maroochydore River here on the Sunshine Coast. Positioned in an no-through road amongst just a handful of lucky homeowners sits 26 Cook Road in Bli Bli on 17 flat acres of land with a development approved 12,000 square metre building envelope. Extremely rare to find flat acreage of this size so close to everything that you could ever need here on the Sunshine Coast. .26 Cook Road in Bli Bli backs onto the brand new Maroochydore River Golf Club. We're a short stroll or just a 3-minute drive up the road to the Bli Bli village. The beautiful Maroochydore North Shore and Majimba Beach is just 7 minutes away, and you can shop to your heart's content and visit the Maroochydore CBD, which is just a short 10-minute drive. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to give me a call. We'll walk you across this beautiful property, introduce you to a few of the neighbours, and you can take in the tranquil surrounds for yourself.